What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are headed down to the horsepower factory, and we're putting Jason's 93LX on the dyno today. We're gonna see exactly what you can expect horsepower wise from a heads cam intake combo. If you're doing heads cam intake, or if you've done it and you haven't gotten yours dynoed yet, I kind of know about what I think it's going to make, but feel free to drop your comment below what you think it's going to make. This is a Mustang dyno. They read a little bit lower, so you know, no funny business as far as the numbers go. So the cool thing about this too is as soon as the Vortex supercharger gets installed or shows up, we'll have before numbers and after numbers. Once the supercharger's in, everything's kind of tuned and everything, we'll come back down here and put it on the dyno, see what kind of power he picked up. So basically, heads cam intake and supercharger, what kind of power can you expect, you know, from, you know, stock bore stroke 302. We are at the horsepower factory, boys. I'm super excited, guys, to see what this thing's gonna make. Looks like they already got him on the dyno. Let's get in there and get after it. All right. Look at this, man. Y'all. Look, y'all done started without me. Come on now. Oh. Oh, okay. All right. I was gonna say, man. Okay, so guesses today.
268.
Oh, come on. Yeah. Come on. Alan, you got any guesses?
185. Oh, he told me it was stock.
Yeah, all bone stock. Bone stock. So the cam is still a mystery, right? It's probably an E.
I think it's either a F cam or a E or F.
Yeah. So nothing major, and then trick flow heads and Cobra intake, exhaust, headers, all that. I'm gonna say 300 horsepower, 320 torque. What do you think?
It's at 320.
300, 320. Okay, maybe
I'll say I'm gonna go with 285.
285. Yeah, I'm probably a little high, but I don't know. We're gonna find out again, guys. This is a Mustang dyno, but you know, yeah, they're definitely greedy. But the cool thing is, we're not giving any false hope either. So we're gonna see what this thing. All right, boys. Before we get rolling, I had to check the update on this truck. Holy, I'm not gonna use that kind of language, but my God.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the business end. That's a big Pro Charger. Got the Holly EFI, LSX, just old sleeper truck. Super cool. So yeah, boy, we're fixing to light the dyno up. Got all kinds of stuff. Guys, if you're in North Mississippi, North Alabama, Tennessee, West End of Tennessee, horsepower factory is your spot. Specializing in LS, but I'm gonna get Alan doing some Coyote stuff, small block Ford stuff, right? Sometime.
Well, we did that one Coyote car.
Yeah, I remember that. I remember that.
And then he came back, we did some fuel system work on it, and he's
Sweet.
happy with it, but all this virus.
Yeah, it's...
He hardly ever goes to the track with it.
Freaking ruined everything. But yeah, guys, they do a little bit of everything here.
327.
I think so. But again, guys, real quick, trick flow heads, stock bottom end 302, mild cam, Cobra intake, headers, exhaust. About to light it up here. need to lean it out. Not bad though, guys. 293.03 first pull. Just cutting it off. 6,000 RPM. Looks like peak's about 5,500 or so. Peak torque's about 49. So
That's going to clean up some of your fuel by adding timing.
Okay.
So you may take another 2%. No, you don't want to come all the way down to 1,800. You want to be, it didn't really start kind of burbling and popping until 40, around 4,500. So in there.
it was cutting out just a little bit, but there's a lot of power in there then. I'm gonna say we're gonna get over 300. You lean it out quite a bit. Torque will come way up too. All right, guys, so got it leaned out. It was really fat. I'm sorry for the fan noise, boys, but just part of being at the dyno. But we're gonna make another hit here. No telling what it'll make. I'm just judging on the AFR. I mean, there's quite a bit on the table. Up a lot of torque. Not bad compared to the first run. Definitely heading in the right direction.
Might want to back these down just a little bit.
Pull a little more fuel out. Boys, it was cutting off all kinds of spots during the curve. Let's try that one again.
So I'm at 59.70 there. I don't know what you want to look at right here though.
Just AFR. Oh, you can program the target?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. Yeah, let's see that.
Well, the target is going to be the light green.
Well, no, that's right.
And 10.6 is
Where it's going
to. So.
Okay, so if it's going pig rich during the pops, and it's an ignition problem. It could be plugs, or wires, coil. Now it's coil because it runs so good every time, all the other time.
is, guys. 297, 309. So did pick up some power. Not bad. Head in the right direction. Yeah, it's still cutting out. There's still quite a bit of power left on the table. There you go, boys. 297, 309. All right, guys. So the question is, took the filter off. How much do these crappy little filters suck in power? This should be interesting. All right, here we go. That's the worst pass yet, guys, as far as how bad it was breaking up, and it still picked up almost 10 foot-pounds of torque and 8 horsepower. Don't run these on your car. Okay, so there you go. We're not done trying to make power, trying to get that tune locked in as well, but guys, I'm telling you, all these little eBay cold air kits and the, you know, the right angle in front of the mass air, sticking these tiny filters in the fender well, you're losing power. You're losing a lot of power. It's going to be actually, once they get this tune dialed in, it'll be even more. But yeah, just food for thought. You need more than this. All right, so the car keeps breaking up, guys. We're going to pull a plug here and just kind of see what we're working with. It probably does need a plug or two. What do you think, Alan?
Wouldn't doubt it. He said it had a box stock auto light, so I'm betting it may have too much gap or something.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, they way back. Like all the way back.
Wow. Yeah.
But it's clean, though.
Yeah.
Just detonating on that thing.
Yeah,
Close, huh?
she's cutting pretty good.
Look like Turner. I'm sorry, what'd you say? Like Turner. It's burning all the way back.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to touch it.
Yeah, I don't want to. That's hot.
See it all the way back to the back.
Yeah.
It's about one range hot. 39.26.
24s is the next one down.
Yeah, that's what you should be running. 3924s.
Well, they were out.
Ah, that's, yeah.
Oh yeah, compromise.
I mean, I had to get it back to where I could drive it.
Yep, auto light
Yeah,
3924s.
You should have ordered some before you come on the dyno.
Well, I didn't think nothing about what was in there.
It'd be all right.
Yeah.
All we gotta do is knock a couple more degrees timing out of it. It'd be all right.
Better. Definitely sounded better. Not better.
Well, we did take timing out of it.
Yeah, true.
Timing helps the pop, but the hot plug.
Yeah.
You get the right plug in, put the timing back in.
Oh, well. 2 degrees across the board, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a whole lot smoother.
Yeah, yeah.
Small pop.
It made a clean pull, but it wasn't liking the time, and the plugs are just a little bit too hot. Just for reference, guys, it's got 3926s in it. If it had 3924s in it, auto lights, it'd be fine. It'd be doing a lot better, but running better, but dropped a little, got horsepower and torque across the board. All right, guys, so the final numbers today, the best numbers, 302, 317, and that's without that little filter, and that's with the car popping and everything else. Again, the other lesson learned today was you need the right plugs in your car. If we had the 3924, we could have put the timing back in and made even more power. Hopefully, we'll see a supercharger soon, right?
I'm on board too.
Right? Everybody send Vortec a message, tell them we need the supercharger kit for this car. Guys, Horsepower Factory. Right here, there's a telephone number, 731-608-3873. Very big in the LS arena, but they also do Ford stuff. He's also got the dyno for just figuring out what you want to do, or as far as, you know, your horsepower level and all that. He also is very good tuning Holley EFI, so definitely check them out. Just south of Henderson, Tennessee, so close to Alabama, Mississippi, Memphis, Nashville, you know, hour and a half, 2 hour drive from Nashville. So make sure, if you need anything, any tuning, any work, holler at them, and I'll link their Facebook page here below so you can get with them. We will be back and be doing some other dyno. I've got some other dynos we got to get done, so we will definitely be back. Huge shout out again to the Horsepower Factory, and again, keep it tuned right here. Lots more of Jason's 93LX coming. Won't want to miss it.